Penile enlargement or enhancement is one of the most asked treatment in premier clinic.
So you said that the number of men who've gone to see you went from 10% to 40%.
Exactly.
What do they usually get? What kind of treatments?
For men wise, they not only want to look good, they want to feel good as well. And in Premier Clinic wise, we are actually we have this program called Premier for Him, where actually we expertise in the needs of men. Alright? So basically, whether it's sexual health, whether it's a physical appearance, whether it's hormonal related andropause changes and things like that. Men suffers from something called as androgenic alopecia, male pattern baldness, where due to genetic, they lose their hair normally at the front, they get the M shape, and also on the crown area, it gets thinning. So of course, some of the treatments that can be done would be, of course, hair transplantation, injection of certain growth factors, for example, PRP, hair fillers, or even certain lasers to stimulate the stem cell and to stimulate vasculature so that hair grows.
Alright.
With the face, I think men-wise, they are not too concerned on the skin quality. They're more concerned on like appearance of tiredness around the eyes.
Right, yeah.
They're concerned on the negative aspects that sometimes certain things makes them look angry, look unfriendly. Probably their the wrinkles around their eyes, between their eyes or on the forehead. Other treatments that I do is of course body contouring. As I said, men are very concerned on their waistline. So a typical man would want a broad shoulder, a narrow waistline. So apart from surgery, which I feel is not safe, we do minimally invasive or non-invasive treatment like fat freezing.
Okay.
I notice a lot of men after the age of 40s, they start complaining about erectile dysfunction.
Right.
Whether they loses the hardness, whether they actually can't sustain as long as they want to. A very good treatment for vessel related problems, the penile would be something called P-shot.
What's that?
P-shot, or we call it as a penile PRP, is where we actually draw a person's blood. We actually process them, we spin them, and we harvest the plasma part of their blood. Penile enlargement or enhancement is one of the most asked treatment in Premier Clinic. Penile enhancement is a procedure, a method where we use hyaluronic acid or certain fillers to actually inject to a certain layer which is safe and to actually increase the size. For men, they have scrotum and their scrotal sac looks very wrinkly.
Yeah.
So basically, they ask for treatments to actually to smoothen up.
Why?
Well, because they want to actually
Make
look
it aesthetically
smooth, make it as pleasing as possible. So yes, there's a treatment for that where we actually use
You
Botox.
have a treatment for that?
It's called Scrotox, where we actually inject a botulinum toxin, which is something like it's a protein which relaxes the muscle.
Okay.
So by injecting just around the scrotum area, then you can actually smoothen it out.
But it doesn't make it function any differently, right? I mean, like...
Nothing, it just looks less wrinkly. Sometimes they just want to try out certain treatments. I mean, don't be afraid. Just come, have a chat with us and see if whether aesthetic treatment is for you or not.
Hey guys, we hope you loved that discussion, but for the full discussion and all our other videos, click right here. And remember, don't be a dick.